Today we did demolition and we made new countertop. Well, we made new siding for our counters, right? And what did you do?
Can I walk?
Well, you can't walk right now because it's like a construction site in there. So today, I'm recording my intro after I already did all the work because I forgot to record it earlier. I'm here with Elaina. And so today we did some more demo. We took out the sink area. We resided it.
I gotta hold on.
We looked at, yeah, you gotta hold on.
Wow.
We resided it. We started working on the cabinet doors for that area. I mean, we did a lot of stuff today. And so this is where we're at, and this is what it all looks like. Here we go.
Yet again, I could not do any of this without my father. Thank you so much, Dad. Here we are removing the sink and the countertop.
Think I'm gonna quit my job and get messed up. Try to 9 to 5 and I made $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams cause real life sucks. I wonder where I've been all my life. I started at the end, waiting tables, waiting for something to change, but I can't do this shit again.
I hurt my foot. I got a splinter in my foot yesterday.
Really?
Think I'm gonna quit my job and get messed up. Try to 9 to 5 and I made $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams cause real life sucks. Gonna quit my job and try my luck. I bet my high school friends gonna hate my guts when I leave this town and they all get stuck.
This backsplash, we are taking down and removing the bar from it that will hold my stove, but we're going to make a completely new backsplash that looks a little more modern.
Tell me that I'm stubborn, it's better than being crazy. They say grab a couple shifts, I said fuck you couldn't make me. If I'm gonna sell my soul, then somebody better pay me. If I end up going broke.
Right now we're taking off that entire top counter so that we can remove the wood underneath it and so we can redo the whole thing.
Better than dying daily, yeah. I'll break before I bend.
There was a screw corroded in that piano hinge, so we had to saw it off basically.
Won't do that again. Think I'm gonna quit my job and get messed up. Try to 9 to 5 and I make $5. I might as well just take the whole year off. I'd rather live my dreams cause real life sucks. Quit my job and try my luck. I bet my high school friends gonna hate my guts when I leave this town and they all get stuck. I'd rather live my dreams cause real life sucks. Gonna quit my job and get messed up. Try to 9 to 5 and I make $5. I might as well just take.
And we're finally on to the fun stuff. Here we are cutting out from our templates our new paneling for around the cabinet. This is what I've been waiting for. I'm so excited to get started on the cosmetic stuff. So we just laid down our template, traced it, made sure everything was nice and straight, and then used that to cut it out. It was so easy, so fast, and again, I would have never thought to do this without my dad. So thanks, Dad.
I'd rather live my dreams cause real life sucks.
That is so perfect. Oh my God, it looks so good. That's crazy.
So to make sure our new paneling lays flat, we had to get all of these little staples out and whatever was left over from the previous paneling.
In our 20s, and I start to ask these burning questions. Where will I die? Who will remember my name? When I see my sons and daughters all raising their own, did what I do last, legacy torn in stone. I just keep getting younger. My thoughts and my ways. I just keep getting younger with each of these days. I just keep getting younger. The sun in my eyes. I just keep getting younger. Take my hand, for time is on our side. Lay your head, where days and years collide. Leave your fear and run into the night. While we're young, let's live and never die. I just keep getting younger. My thoughts and my ways. I just keep getting younger with each of these days. I just keep getting younger. The sun in my eyes. I just keep getting younger. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. But that ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life.
So my dad had these left over from doing the fireplace in one of the bedrooms, so I'm going to use it as my countertop.
And on the what you gave to me, hard work it pays off. I'm happy now, it's paying me.
To make sure the paneling is secure, we went ahead and sprayed it with Gorilla Glue and then used a staple gun to make sure everything's nice and secure.
Sometimes I feel as if I blow away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, can't hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy, my lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love.
And now my dad is just making corner pieces to make sure everything looks nice and seamless.
On the daily, get to do the shit I love upon a daily. Everybody go and live your daydreams up. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation.
YouTube video.
Listen, say to me.
YouTube video. Yeah, say tomorrow we're going shopping.
All by myself.
No, Kiki's gonna go with you.
And
We're gonna go
with
shopping.
them.
We're gonna get some handles for our
And ice cream.
and ice cream. We're gonna get handles for our cabinet doors
And ice cream.
and ice cream and Flex Seal to patch up some leaks and caulk to go over where we used the nail gun, and then we are going to finish up the counter of the sink and some cabinet doors and start putting stuff together and cleaning up because it's a mess. We're gonna have a lot of videos coming up soon because we're doubling down, aren't we? We're doubling down and we're getting stuff done.
Listen.
So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.